Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view results on Google Forms survey. Whether you're collecting feedback, running a poll, or gathering data for research, knowing how to access and analyze your survey results is essential for making informed decisions based on your responses. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials if you haven't already done so. This will give you access to all your existing forms and surveys stored in your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard where you can see all your recent activity. Here, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays all the forms and surveys you've created or have access to. Browse through and click on the specific form or survey you want to view results for. This action will open up that particular form in edit mode. Now that your form is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Responses. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the central hub for viewing everything related to how people have interacted with your survey. This section compiles all the data submitted by your respondents in an organized, easy-to-understand format. Once you're in the Responses tab, you'll automatically be in the Summary section. This view gives you a quick overview of your survey's performance. You'll see the total number of people who have responded to your survey displayed prominently at the top. Below that, you'll notice pie charts and other visual representations that break down the responses for each question, making it easy to spot trends and patterns at a glance. If you want to dig deeper into specific questions, click on Question. This view allows you to see detailed breakdowns of who responded to each individual question in your survey. It's particularly useful when you want to analyze specific data points or understand how respondents answered particular questions. You can also navigate between different questions without scrolling through everything. Simply click on the drop-down menu that appears and select your preferred question from the list. Alternatively, you can use the arrow buttons, represented by the less than and greater than symbols, to move forward or backward through your questions one at a time. For an even more detailed view, click on Individual. This section lets you see each respondent's complete set of answers individually, giving you a comprehensive look at how each person responded to your entire survey. Again, you can use those same arrow buttons to move through each individual response, making it easy to review submissions one by one. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to access and analyze your Google Forms survey results from multiple angles. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.